Assalamu alaikum, this is me Ehtisham and you're watching my YouTube channel RILS The Lingua Expert. I'm the expert trainer of IELTS, PTE, OET, IELTS life skills and other English language proficiency exams. In this video, we're going to learn the concept of the verb to be. What is to be? This is actually a stative verb that is used in present simple, past simple and future simple with certain specification of grammatical structures. So let's get to begin today's session with the verb to be. There are certain number of verbs which we call them linking verbs or stative verb. They do not perform actions, and there is a list of verbs such as sound, seem, feel, taste, like, want, love. These all verbs are known as linking verbs. So here we are only going to focus on the verb to be. So be is actually a stative verb, and by definition be refers to state of an object in a sentence. So here be has several shapes, like be in the present will be as is, am, are. In the past it is was, were, and in the future along with the will auxiliary verb you have to add be as it is, like will be for the future tense. Now let's first talk about the present simple. In present simple, when you construct the formula of stative verb be, so here you have to take a subject and afterwards you will take be. So along with the subject, if the subject is the third person singular like he, she, it, or any singular noun, or it is indefinite pronoun, so you have to take is. If it is I, you have to take am, and if it is you, we, they, or plural noun, you have to use are. And afterwards you need to place an extension, and remember you're not supposed to make any verb in ing form after is, am, are that we usually do it in present progressive or continuous. So here you either take a noun or adjective phrase. So and along with this noun and adjective you see noun phrase, adjective phrase, noun clause and adjective clause can also be used in the extension after be, which will be either is, am, are in the present simple. So let's get to have few examples for the positive, then I will turn them into negative, interrogative, both confirmative and informative. So the first example I would like to quote here is that he is tired now. So this is the state of a person, that he is being tired. So being tired is the state of that individual, that we say he is tired now. And if I want to turn it into negative, so I would just add not after be in this formula. So I would say that he is not tired now. And if I want to turn it into confirmative question, so is he tired now with a question mark. And if I turn it into informative question, so it would be why is he tired now. So this is the example of the stative verb in the present tense, or we call it present simple. Now let's talk about the use of verb to be in the past simple. So here the formula construction will be subject plus be plus extension, the same formula as you had in the present simple, but here be would be treated as was or were according to the subject. If the subject is either first person singular I or third person singular he, she, it, or any singular noun or indefinite pronoun, we would use was with it. Whereas on the other hand, verb will be used with you, we, they, and plural noun. I'll give you two examples here, one with was and the other example with were. He was in trouble. So he was in the state of trouble. Now if I want to turn it into negative, so I would add not after be and I would say he was not in trouble For confirmative question, was he in trouble? And for informative question, when was he in trouble? With the question mark. So this is the construction of was in the past simple for the verb to be. Now let's talk about another example with were. We were aware of the truth. If I want to turn it into negative, so we were not aware of the truth, and for confirmative question we would say were we aware of the truth, or for informative, how were we aware of the truth. Now let's talk about the verb to be in future simple. As we have used in the present simple, the verb to be indicates state of an object in the present time. In past, it indicates the state of an object in the past time, and here in the future it indicates the state of an object in the future time. And the formula construction of the verb to be for the future simple will be subject plus will plus be as it is, and after that you're going to use the extension. And remember, in extension you're not supposed to use any action verb or anything else except noun, noun phrase or noun clause. Let's take one example so that we can clearly get to understand. The example is they will be happy about this decision. So here you can see that they will be in the state of happiness about this decision. If I want to turn it into negative, so I would add not after will, and in between be and will you're going to place not, and the construction will be they will not be happy about this decision. And for confirmative question it will be will they be happy about this decision, and for the informative construction, how will they be happy about this decision. So if you still have any query with respect to this topic, you may feel free to type your message in the comment box below. And if you have liked my video, so please, I do request you to like and share, and also subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. See you inshallah in the next video with respect to possessive sentences for present, past and future. Till then, Allah Hafiz.